I'm gonna show you guys my screen so you guys can
Oh.
see my work. Oh my gosh. Well, oh my gosh.
It's going on forever.
Okay.
There we go.
So question 6. I'll start with it. It says the following data set are data on stock performance of specific companies. Find the mean, standard deviation, and sample size for each of the companies, A through E. Okay, this is what I got here. Is this kind of what you guys got?
Yeah, did you just use
Yep.
Excel? 'Cause that's what I was doing. I was just
Yeah.
throwing it in Excel and just putting the average and then the standard deviation for the first two, and then you just count, the last one. So
Right.
Yep.
Okay, that one was straightforward.
Yeah. So when it came to the histograms, I don't know what I'm doing wrong, but I just cannot make a histogram.
Yeah, the notes made it look so easy, but Excel was just not easy.
So what were you doing to make your histograms?
So I'll show you what I did in Excel. So with Excel,
Okay.
I just took this data.
Okay.
Like that.
Mm-hmm.
I did insert recommended charts. I went to histogram. This is what it comes up with.
Oh, okay. I didn't see. Okay, I didn't. God, that's the part I had a hard time getting to.
Really?
Was to that. I couldn't find that for some reason.
Well, I made a histogram, but it does not look anything like the
ones that
answers.
Because yours had recommended with histograms, but mine doesn't have any of that. So I'm like,
really?
Yeah. So I'm like, I don't know how to make a histogram.
Do you have the right version of Excel?
I have the latest one that it gave me, so I don't. Unless maybe I didn't update it, but I don't know. I was like, I don't know what's going on.
Interesting. Yeah. Do you guys know what to do from here about the histograms? Because I'm not entirely sure.
Let's
see. Okay, yeah, I'm not entirely sure how to do that. I might have to go look back at the notes.
Yeah, I'm gonna have to rewatch that video of the explanation because I just couldn't find how to make a histogram. So
yeah,
I can make just charts, but I for some reason I can't find how to do the histograms. I don't know.
Yeah. Okay. We can move on if you guys want.
Yeah.
Should we start the quiz, or do you wanna?
We can discuss.
There's 2 more questions I want to look at if that's okay.
Yeah.
Questions 9 and 10. So question 9, my reasoning was I would choose company D as the lowest standard deviation. So I'm thinking since it has the lowest standard deviation, less fluctuation. But I don't know. I'm not a finance guy.
Yeah, me neither.
So that's just my reasoning.
Which one did you said D? Is that what you said?
Yeah, D.
I went with B because the mean, it's an average mean, which is a little higher, but the deviation, yeah, it is a little drastic, but
yeah,
you still have wiggle room to play right there with it. So I don't know, I went with group B because I don't know, it just looks better to me. Whereas I thought about group C, but the deviation was 79, so that can go way below or way above. So
yeah,
I like group B the most.
And then
I actually exited out of the homework. Oh, you're fine. I need to pull up the homework again. I don't know if I saved my.
Oh shoot. So for 10, this I'm not screen sharing again. This right here is what I got. Like for the standard deviation at the bottom. Did you guys do that part?
I don't think I did that part. No.
Okay.
I honestly didn't even see number 10. I was so focused on the darn what's it
The
called?
histograms, yeah.
Yeah. Jeez.
Well, let's hope we don't have to make that for the quiz.
Yeah, let's hope so.
Yeah, I'm fine with starting the quiz now if you guys want to do that.
Yeah, let's just go to it.
Okay. Quiz. Yeah, so far this week's been pretty easy for statistics. It's just those stupid histograms.
The histograms, man.
I'm glad you showed us how to make them though, or like how to pull it up on Excel, because I was a little bit confused about that too.
Yeah.
Okay. All right. Do you guys each go through like a question each, or how do you guys do it?
So that's what we just did, but there weren't that many questions. How do I go back to where it was? Did you have any questions about the preparation?
Not particular. Hold on. I'm looking at this quiz ahead a little bit. Let me see. There's some questions on here that I'm looking at now that I'm trying to remember back in the preparation assignment. Like if we covered that. Sorry.
No problem.
So the first two questions look pretty straightforward. I mean, it's you have to open up the Excel, and then
for that one, I got 80,041. Just we're rounding to the nearest dollar, right? So.
On the preparation?
Oh wait, are we starting the quiz? Or are we doing that?
Yes. Yeah, sorry. Okay, I'm just opening the Excel file for the quiz now. Those two columns are confusing me. Are those dollar amounts?
Yeah, so each one's a dollar amount. It's kind of funky how it was set up.
Yeah, what are the comments for? Do we need to do something with that?
I don't.
The what?
So?
Comments?
Oh. I hope not.
I don't know. I can read the instructions if that's okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, sure.
Okay. Says on rare occasions, the medical procedures performed on a part of a patient's body while the wrong side occur hundreds of times each year across the United States. The medical community is trying to eliminate these errors, but have had difficulty reducing their frequency. Against the hospital conducted a study on these mistakes. The data in the file represents the amount and universities have been required to pay in wrong site and wrong patient lawsuits. Some of the values equal 0, indicating that the hospital won the legal battle. Okay, so question 3, find the mean amounts hospitals have to pay in wrong site lawsuits. Round your answer to the nearest dollar. So wrong site is the first column, right?
Yeah.
You guys are probably already way ahead of me.
No, you're fine.
Did you guys get an answer for that?
I got 80,041.
That's what I got too.
Yeah, 8,004.
How do you guys find that?
So you just get the average of the entire first column.
And how do you do that?
So on your Excel, you just hit enter and then start typing in an average, and then it'll like pop up a formula, and you click on it, and then you just
where do I go?
And then you just highlight the whole thing.
Here, I can show you. Let me show you my screen.
Yeah, can you show your screen? Yeah.
Sorry, like I'm not used to this at all.
No, you're fine.
Come on. Okay, can you see my screen?
Yeah.
Okay, so let me just do it like that. Yeah. Okay, so I selected all the data in here. No. First, sorry. Okay, so first I'm going to type in the formula in one of the cells. The cell, I type in equals average, open parentheses, and then it asks me for my number. So I'm going to select
the entire thing.
Take the average of right here. And I do close parentheses. I press enter, and it gives me this number for the average. Does that make sense?
Yeah, I'm trying to. Wait. I open it. I'm sorry. You went really fast. I put equals and then average.
Yes.
Equals average. Open parentheses.
Like it should have like parentheses kind of just pop up. Yeah.
What's up?
I don't know why it's not working for me.
So like no formulas popping up or what?
No, so I just like have a cell and then I'll do the equals and then I do the average.
Can you share your screen? And so maybe we can see like what.
Can I do that on here?
Mhm.
Oh, I can. Okay.
So, okay, so double click. Oh wait, you need to open up the
It's open.
so double click like one of just a random box. Average.
Then click on that, yeah.
Double click average, yeah.
And then
Oh,
go,
okay.
and then go
Yeah.
and highlight the whole thing.
Double click it. And then
Yeah,
And then highlight the entire column, yeah.
all the way down. Yep. It's like 400, yeah, so it's super long. And then enter. It's at enter. Yep. And then go back over there and it'll show up.
oh my
Yeah.
gosh. Thank you.
Yeah. And then we just round it
Okay.
to the nearest dollar. So
Okay. Got it. If I can turn this on. Okay. Cool. It's good to know.
awesome. So is everyone ready for the next one?
Yeah.
So find the median amount of hospitals had to pay in the wrong site lawsuits. So for that one, I got 68,552.
Yeah, I got that too. Just using the median formula.
Yep.
Wait, what did you say you got again? Sorry.
68,552.
8,000. Okay.
Yeah. You guys ready to move on?
Yeah.
Okay. Question 5, find standard deviation. For that, I got 70,000, 1,404.
I got 71,404. Hold
Yeah,
on.
71,404.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Should we go to question 6?
Is that right? Whose turn is it? Sorry. Is it my turn?
Sure.
Okay. What is the mean survival time in months for these 4 patients? So it's just 7.
Yeah, just 7. And then
5 plus 19 plus 1 plus 3 divided by 4 is 7.
yeah.
Okay.
And then question 7 was the median survival time in months. It's 4 because 5 and 3 make 8 divided by 2 is 4. So
there you go.
Pretty straightforward.
Okay, next question. If you were to compute the variance by hand, the following table could be used. Use this table to answer the next 3 questions. Give the number that would be entered into the space labeled A in the table above.
So I got negative 12. Yeah. It's the mean minus
19 minus 5.
negative 12.
19
It's the
minus
A. It's column A, so it's 7 minus 19.
Oh, the mean's 7, right?
Yeah. So
It's
7
saying
minus
no. It's
19.
saying the number minus the average, so it'd be 19 minus 7.
19 minus 7, so it'd be 12.
Yeah.
Oh.
Positive 12.
Why do I remember in the video? Hold on. Okay. Okay, so in the video, maybe this sounds really. Hold on. Oh, no. You guys are right. Hold on.
Okay.
Okay, sorry, move on. Okay, we're good.
Okay. All right. So B
B.
be 1 minus 7 squared, which would be negative 6 squared, which would be 36.
36, right? Yeah.
All right. Standard deviation.
And the survival times. Give your answer in months. Run to the nearest tenth.
I got 8.16.
Let me work it out. Eight point one.
8.16. Okay.
What does that mean? The first number?
Would it be 8.2?
2.2.
Yeah.
Because we're rounding.
Wait, how did you guys get? Sorry, what does that mean? What is the first number of the 5?
Wait, which one?
Sorry for question 11. I just don't understand the question. What is the first number of the 5-number summary? What is that?
First number of the
What's
5
the first number? So the 5-number summary is the minimum. One. It's not Q2 or mean.
So how did you guys get 8.2?
Oh no, we were talking the one before that.
You were what?
We're talking about the one before that.
So I put those 4 numbers, 1, 5, 19, and 3 into Excel. I took the standard deviation of that, and it gave me 8.164966. I just rounded it to the nearest tenth, so it'd be 8.2.
Oh, okay. Oh, we're still okay. All right, never mind. I'm looking at question 11.
So we're trying to find the first number.
It's the minimum, right?
Would that be the minimum or the maximum?
I'm pretty sure it's the minimum.
Minimum, yeah. Or is it
so we have to find the minimum of the wrong patient lawsuit costs.
The minimum.
Oh, cost.
Which would it'd be 0, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, because there was a 0 in there, so.
Okay, that's 11. 12, what is the second number in number summary of the wrong patient? How would you calculate that? First quartile. How do you calculate for the first quartile?
I wonder if you can just type in quartile for it?
Yeah, let me see.
Does that work?
Yeah, maybe. Yeah, so, okay, so yeah, do quartile and then open parentheses, array. So you take all your numbers for wrong patient. Then you do comma, quartile, and then you just put in 1. And then
Did
that
you do the one with the EXC or the INC?
Which quartile?
it's-
I just did quartile.
Just the yeah.
Just regular
Well,
quartile,
mine is
no
like
dot.
point. I mean, EXC.
Yeah, there's some that are dot INC.
Yeah, and the very last one is quartile, and you'll see like
Yeah, that's
quartile EXC, and then INC, and then quotient, and then quartile.
yeah.
So quartile, and you highlighted all wrong patient, right?
Yeah.
What did you get 3,900 or did I do that one wrong?
Yeah, I got 3,900.
Okay.
Hold on 1 second. Let me.
Okay, the fourth number.
You enter too few. Okay, for some reason mine's not. Oh well. What did you get on that? Sorry.
3,900.
3,900. All right.
Figure out what tile you wanted. I'll tell it.
You just put comma and then 1 for right after you highlight everything. You hit comma and then 1 to tell what quartile you're doing.
Okay.
Okay, did you guys get that?
For which one?
For 12.
12. Yeah.
Are you ready for 13?
3,900.
Yeah.
With 13's 3,900. I thought it was 12.
No.
No.
12.
12,
Sorry.
12 is.
Yeah, we're just saying we're moving to 13.
Yeah.
Gotcha.
Fourth number.
Okay. Did you guys finish 13?
Not yet.
What did you get for it?
I got.
Is that what it's? Is that
Sorry,
the
go ahead.
maximum?
No, that's the third quartile.
Okay, sorry. The box plots are a little bit hard for me.
Did you get 50,
Oh, no problem.
145.5?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, 14. Red box.
Wait, what did we get for 13?
5145.5. So 50,145 and 50 cents.
Are we rounding that one? Oh, 50 cents.
Yeah.
It says round to the nearest cent, so I just put 0.50.
Yeah,
Okay.
that's what I did too.
Okay. So the next one.
Third quartile. So we're literally just looking at it and estimating, right?
Mm-hmm.
That's kind of tricky because it's
like
190.
100. Oh wait.
It's the top of the red one, right?
No, it's the top of the green one.
Top of the green, right? Okay, that's what I was saying.
Yeah.
Oh. Okay.
Yeah,
So,
because
like
like 190 is my thought too.
Okay, 15.
What is
the longest? So the longest would be the dash at the very top. I'd say like
what, 710?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, that was it. Nope, one more question. What is the value of the mean?
Like 105? Oh, no.
The middle line in the box is the median.
That's the
though.
median. Yeah, my bad.
So we can't determine the
So
mean.
undetermined.
We can't. Yeah. Okay.
Should we submit it?
Yeah.
I'm gonna submit it.
Okay.
I see 100%. Awesome.
Good job, guys.
Job to you too. Okay. Yeah, and then I'll post this video then.
Okay.
Cool.
And you guys can just let each other know if you need help with the homework.
Yeah.
Awesome.
Same time again on Monday for the good.
Yeah, is this
time
okay for you guys? Do you just want to keep doing Mondays and Wednesdays at 3?
That works for me.
Okay, sounds good.
Yeah, works for me.
All right.
See you guys Monday.
See ya.
See ya.
Bye.